Hey, welcome back. Sometimes some of you, tube reviews, ask me questions about how to get into some darker, deeper crevices on your boat. Usually it's just get inventive. Grab a drill, put one of those Flitz balls on it or something to clean out your mag wheels or whatever, and get to town. It's also about being inventive with your buffer wheel. If you want, I've got a couple videos of me grinding stuff like this out with just a normal wheel and a buffer. It is possible. It takes a bit of time. You can also remove these decals altogether, or what you can do is replace them with decals. But if you don't want to replace them with decals, you know, because it's an emblem on the outside of your boat, that spiders are going to be like, oh, that's a house. And if they do that, then they're going to make a web. And if they do that, then they're going to eat bugs. And if they do that, then you're going to have a whole bunch of dead bugs and webs on the side of your boat. And then spiders are going to do that thing that you love them to do, which is poop. And that little piece of poo sits on your gel coat, and it's very acidic because it's this type of stuff that you need to break down the insides of a bug, and it eats away your gel coat and it leaves stains. So if you wanted to, after you polish this all up, you could use a wax that will last for a really, really long time, longer than anything that Drake's ever even seen in his life. On top of that, it repels spiders for about 3 to 4 months, which I think is kind of cool because these stay a little bit cleaner, a little bit longer. Anyway, that's all I had. Y'all have a great day. Talk to you later.